In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable an out-of-office message in Salesforce Lightning Experience. If you're planning to take a break or if you'll be unavailable for some time, setting up an out-of-office message can be incredibly useful. It helps manage expectations and keeps everyone informed during your absence. Follow these straightforward steps with me, and you'll have it configured in no time. To get started, the first thing you'll need to do is to go to the top right corner of your Salesforce page and click on your profile avatar. This is where you'll find the essential settings you'll need. Next, after clicking on your avatar, a drop-down menu will appear. Here, you need to select Settings. Once you're in the Settings section, you'll find a menu on the left-hand side of the screen. Navigate down that menu until you find Calendar and Reminders. Click on that and a list of options will appear underneath. Look for Out of Office and click on it. This section is specifically designed for managing your availability status. Now you're on the page where you can manage your out-of-office settings. You'll see an option to either create a new out-of-office message or edit an existing one. Click New if you're setting this up for the first time. If you have an existing message you want to update, hit Edit. Now comes an essential part. You need to specify the start and end date and time for your out-of-office message. Make sure to carefully select both the start and end time so it accurately reflects the times you'll be unavailable. This helps colleagues know exactly when you're away and when to expect you back. Along with setting the time frame, it's important to craft a message that explains your unavailability. This message will be visible to others when they mention you in Salesforce's chatter. Keep it clear and courteous, such as stating you're out of the office and providing an alternative contact if necessary, or simply letting them know when you'll be back. This is very useful for maintaining professional communication even when you're not around. Once you've set your start and end times and written your message, the final step is to click Save. This action ensures the entire setup is complete and your out-of-office message is activated. Take a moment to double check your entries before hitting Save, just to make sure everything is correct. And that's it. You're all done. By following these steps, you'll have successfully set up an out-of-office message in Salesforce Lightning Experience. Now you can leave with the confidence that your colleagues are informed and all communication is managed seamlessly during your time away. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more helpful Salesforce tips.